So like I said earlier, it's a race. What matters is getting there first. This is what vaccine nationalism looks like. Let me elaborate. Science and money dictate how quickly you get there. But this international race is now becoming ugly thanks to the charges of spying. The world has been suffering the Wuhan virus pandemic for more than 6 months now. More than 10 million people have been infected. Close to 600,000 have died. The desperation for a vaccine is driving countries to try everything. The United States is leading the world in what we're calling vaccine nationalism. In the month of March, the Trump administration met with representatives from CureVac. It's a German biotech company that is developing a vaccine. Now, reports say the US government wanted exclusive rights for the vaccine. Germany heard about this and promptly issued a statement. The German government said, Germany is not for sale. On the 15th of June, Germany invested nearly $340 million in CureVac for a 23% stake in the company. Well, that did not stop America's hunt for a vaccine. The US government has invested $500 million in Moderna's vaccine project. Now, Moderna is an American company. But America wanted its hands on more vaccines or potential candidates. So in the month of April, French company Sanofi announced that the US had the right to place the largest pre-order for its vaccine because America is partially funding Sanofi's research. But after pressure from the French government, the company shifted its stand. Why the race for exclusivity, you may ask? The answer is simple. A vaccine is the ultimate weapon to defeat the Wuhan virus. And the one who has it will call the shots. Any country that gets to the vaccine first can reserve it for its own population, control its production, decide how much of it can be exported, to whom it can be exported, and for how much. These are critical questions. A vaccine brings tremendous power into the hands of one government. And this has happened before. This is not a hypothetical scenario. The world has seen the result of vaccine nationalism in the past. Not very long ago, it happened in 2009, during the early stages of the H1N1 pandemic. Wealthy countries entered into pre-purchase agreements with several companies. Rich countries locked the H1N1 vaccine for themselves. Only the developed world had the first access. The United States alone negotiated and bought the right to buy 6 lakh doses. And only when the pandemic was about to end, when the demand for the vaccine dropped, did they decide to share. So 9 developed countries decided to donate vaccine doses. Once again, a cold war is underway for the Wuhan virus vaccine. And history seems to be repeating itself.